name is Rip. I'm a locksmith in Oregon. I am trying to promote the tool that I designed to pull Honda and Acura roll pin ignitions. So here is an example of what I'm showing you. This is a typical Honda ignition for a high security Honda ignition. The roll pin is right here. Let me point out that would be where the roll pin is to remove the ignition switch. Now my method is to take a modified automatic center punch the roll pin so it is splayed out, and then take a tap with a lubricant, go in and tap the roll pin on the inside, remove the tap, add a screw, the screw is there so that you don't break the tap trying to pull out the roll pin. So you screw the screw in, once you have screwed in your screw to the roll pin, then you take my tool, put it over the screw, and tighten it up, and it literally pulls the roll pin out so that the lock is removable. Okay, so this was one that was done out of the car, so now we're going to go and do one that's in a car. Show you how easy it is. Alright, as we all know, Hondas do not like staying working for very long. 10 years and they're about ready to be changed. This is a 2006 Honda Accord. I've already removed the cowling, and I've already removed the tough to get to screws. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the screws that hold on the ring for your security and your little light. Okay, once those are removed, you can access the roll pin that holds everything in. So these come off. And now as we can see, where the roll pins go is right here. I'm going to take my automatic center punch, give it a couple of whacks, and then I'm going to pick up my tap, add some lubricant to my tap, run the tap in the hole very gently so that we don't break this tap because it's so little. Once the tap is in, I will take the tap out. There just has to be enough thread on there to catch the threads on the screw. Alright, so we get the screw on here with our screwdriver. Little awkward, I understand, but we get the screw started. Get it good in there as best we can so we got a good grip. Now we take my tool, open it up so we can get it around the screw, right here, around the screw, and then we tighten it up. And just so we don't get the thing to hit the camera, we just tighten it up. until the pin comes out. Now the ignition is ready to come out. We can take the screw off of the roll pin. Okay, so once the screw is removed, we still have a working roll pin. So we can put the new ignition in. Hold it in place, take our center punch, push the ignition back in, put our pin back in and take our center punch, and now the ignition is in place. And that way you can not have to worry about drilling and then what do we do for a new roll pin? You use the same roll pin as you took out. Have a nice day.